The A7S III is a remarkable camera. We, at Wax, could only secure one for approximately 24 hours, but in that time we saw that this camera is something really special. With higher bit rates to its predecessor and higher frame rates, Sony have delivered. For those out there who like to shoot handheld, the in-body image stabilization from this camera is wonderful. Almost every single shot that you are seeing in this video was shot completely handheld, relying only on slow motion and IBIS. The S&Q mode delivers remarkable slow motion video, drawing out those moments to realize their truest innate potential. Autofocus engineered to transition smoothly, as if by natural means, and autoface and eye detect allowing for constant focus on your subjects. However, this does only apply to humans in the video mode at this time. "10-bit 422 internal recording keeps the A7S relevant in a time where many other manufacturers provide the same, bringing more colours and detail to compositions, as well as making the S-Log 3 picture profile a more viable option in the workplace for professionals. A 12 megapixel full-frame sensor puts creativity into the hands of its user, allowing for unrivaled low-light shooting compared to its competitors on the market. This may well be a camera to convert many who previously relied on other camera brands to the dark side. For the A7S III, some may merely see it as a B camera to be paired alongside Sony's FX9 due to the matching in their colour sciences. Others may see the solution to achieving their dreams as a professional videographer. This camera offers so much to documentary filmmakers, the corporate video industry, and the world of independent film production. Its small form factor lends it to portability, flexibility, and keeping a small footprint when working in public spaces. The Sony A7S III. Imagination in motion.